Okay, good morning. Welcome to
Math Practice number 106.
Math Practice number 106. Okay, so we are following Beast Academy B, and today we read about some special numbers called the
Perfect squares.
perfect squares. And what perfect squares are is you take a number, here, grab the marker. You take, You take a number times itself. So for example, 1 times 1 or 8 times 8 or 10 times 10 or something. But you told me you already know a little bit about the perfect squares, right? So can you write down the perfect squares? What's 1 times 1?
1.
1. 2 times 2 is?
4.
4.
9.
3 times 3 is?
9.
4 times 4 is?
16.
Okay. 5 times 5 is?
25.
All right. 6 times 6?
36.
7 times 7?
49.
Wow, good job. Well, let's write that a little better. 49. 8 times 8 is?
64.
9 times 9 is?
81.
81. 10 times 10 is?
100.
Whoa! Good job! The perfect squares are really neat numbers. Did you know that?
Yeah, pretty neat.
They're pretty neat. So, let me show you one thing that's really neat about them. Are you ready?
Yeah.
Okay, here we go. How much do you increase when you go from 1 to 4?
3.
You increase by 3. How much do you increase by when you go from 4 to 9?
5.
How much do you increase by when you go from 9 to 16?
Well, 9 plus... Now, 9 plus 4 is 13. So, that's 7.
7, right. How much do you increase by when you go from 16 to 25?
9. Right.
Oh yeah, 9. I'm sorry, you're right. Daddy's a little bit asleep. And we could have written down 0 times 0 is 0, and then you increase by 1 when you go from 0 to 1. So far it's been 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. How much do you increase by when you go from 25 to 36?
Well, you increase by 11.
11. How much do you increase by when you go from 36 to 49?
It's like 13.
13. And then from 49 to 64 is?
It's 15.
15. 64 to 81 is?
17.
17. 81 to 100 is?
19.
19. Now, what do you think it'll be to increase to the next one if this pattern keeps going? 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, 13, 15, 17, 19, and?
21.
21. What are these numbers called? 1, 3.
Odds.
Those are the odd numbers. So we think the next square might be 121, and that would be 11 times 11.
Yeah.
Okay, now, do you think 11 times 11 is 121?
Let's try.
Okay, well, let's see. We know what 11 times 10 is, right?
Yeah.
What is 11 times 10?
110.
110. And then how many more 11s do we need to add to get to 11 times 11?
We just need to add on one more.
So what's 110 plus 11?
It's 121.
121. How about that?
Nice.
Nice. That's pretty cool, right?
Yeah.
So the difference between the odd numbers the difference between the perfect squares is always an odd number, and it's always one higher than the previous odd number. So the next perfect square after 121, we would just add 23. What's 121 plus 23?
144.
144, so that would be 12 times 12.
Yeah.
That's pretty cool, isn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah, alright, high five. Those are the perfect squares. Those are really fun numbers, and they have lots of really neat and interesting properties, and they're really fun to study. And that's why they were talking about them in Beast Academy today.
Yeah.
Good job, sweetie. Good job.